Hey Stampers, Kim from stampingimperfection.com. I'm here with a quick tip for you. This is something I've been doing for a while and it works really well for me. I had to get a new Misti because mine took a tumble off the back of my craft table, and that does not do your hinges any favor. I took the opportunity to go ahead and get myself the new black ones because pink is like one of my least favorite colors, but I really like these Hero Arts black ones. And when I did that, they come with the pads in them, so they have a whole pad of the papers that to fit inside. And so I just took one of each size and I laminated it, and then I cut it right down next to the laminated part. And instead of getting this time, I actually have the Mousepad, so instead of getting that this time, I decided that I would just laminate one of the papers and not bother with the Mousepad. So although I do have the old Mousepad, and one of the reasons I did that was because a few times I've accidentally heat embossed a little too close to that Mousepad, and it warps them, so then they're not flat anymore. So I just put this laminated one that I made over the top, and then I have a nice surface that wipes up. There they are. I can also go ahead and use the Sizzix sticky grid sheets to put on there to hold things in place if I want to do that too. And then when I have to peel them off, I can just clean that off. So I really like that. It's a very handy. Having a laminator is very handy. If you don't have a laminator and a label maker in your stash, those are things you want to add. And again, wait for back to school sales, because they always put things teachers need on sale at office supply stores on back to school sales, and you can get those then. So thanks for watching. Stop by my blog at stampingimperfection.com. Give this video a like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.